everyone! Big news for Sony shooters! If you own an a7R V or an a7 IV, you're going to want to grab this! Sony just dropped massive firmware updates for both cameras, bringing them to version 4.00 and 6.00 respectively. So, what's new? A lot! For both cameras, you're getting expanded autofocus options, like a new extra-large spot size and more custom tracking zones. This is great for sports and event photographers who need to switch things up quickly. For you video pros, the workflow improvements are huge. You can now flag clips as okay-ing, or keep right in the camera, which is going to save so much time in post-production. Plus, there are handy display improvements, like seeing remaining capacity for both cards at once. There are also a ton of other quality of life updates, like better FTP transfer options and support for Sony's camera authenticity solution. These are solid updates that really fine-tune these already incredible cameras. Download them now from Sony support site. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.